So I wanted to do a follow-up on that oil change we did on the Mazda at 15,000 miles on the oil.
How'd that go?
I sent it out.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Did they reject it?
No, they didn't reject it. So yeah, anyway, the oil analysis came back. 0W20 Mazda oil with high moly. It's a fully synthetic. And I was really actually worried running at 15,000 miles. I mean, I had sent out the red line and plenty of other oils that had, close to 10,000 miles of track oil, and they said no problem. But on this car, I was worried.
That's some serious power from that thing.
Oh yeah, I mean,
It's a motorsports car.
It is. So the end result was we got the analysis back, and they said we could run it 18,000 miles next time. So the point is, modern oils, even factory oils that are synthetic, if you're not driving the cars like a fucking idiot or like just ridiculous, you can get over 10,000 miles on most any oil, especially if the car's newer. I don't think that I would ever run the oil 15,000 miles again, even though I could.
You're not try 18,000?
No, I'm not.
Oh, come on.
Well, the thing is that they did find a little bit higher iron content, which they say tracks with. So the longer you run oil, the more iron's going to accumulate in it. But I'd like to run it at 10 and see if that or the iron content is as high.
I didn't tell you, oh, you could run it till 12.
Yeah, well, yeah, exactly. But
they want to see your motor blow up.
Yeah, they want to see what happens to the oil after.
Their other company is an engine builder. I change mine every 5,000.
If you send
it don't look like that.
If you send it out and everything looked clean at 5,000 and you knew you could stretch it to 10, would you?
No. It's $25 for oil for Mobile One.
That's a good argument, actually.
Why?
Because you have a lab saying that your oil's in perfect condition. Why would you waste the money?
But it's only $25. What's the alternative in case something happens? Who's going to pay for it? I think everybody should do it once every 2 years. I don't feel like raising the cars up.